Want to make your WordPress site easier to read and more visually appealing? One simple trick is increasing the page display size for your content. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to do that step by step. The easiest way to increase your text size is through the theme customizer. Just head over to your WordPress dashboard, click on Appearance, then Customize. Look for the Typography settings. Here, you can adjust your font sizes for headings, paragraphs, and more. It's quick, intuitive, and affects your entire site at once. If you want more control over individual pages or posts, the WordPress block editor is a fantastic option. When editing a post, select the block you want to change, like a heading or paragraph, and you'll see font size options right in the sidebar. This lets you make specific sections stand out without changing your whole site. For those who want complete flexibility, custom CSS is your best friend. By adding a few lines of CSS, you can define exact font sizes for any element across your website. This is perfect if you need a precise look or want to ensure consistency, especially on larger sites. Increasing the page display size isn't just about aesthetics, it improves readability, keeps visitors engaged, and makes your content more professional. By choosing the right method for your needs, whether it's the customizer, block editor, or CSS, you can make your site more user-friendly in minutes. Give it a try today and watch how these small adjustments make a big difference in your website's appearance and usability.